Well guys, here we are. It is episode 4 and I'm Cody from KHC. Now we have nearly finished everything we need to with this Project F450, from our Wicked lift kit to MBRP exhaust to Fox shocks to an SMB cold air intake. So the couple little pieces of lighting accessories we have going in are this Ford front emblem. That is going to be lighting up as a Ford front emblem. Next, what we're going to be doing is where the F450 vent and emblem is on each side of the truck, there will be a lights going behind those vents so it glows through. And to end it off, we are going to have some front valance lights going down in the bottom up here in the front. But guys, I think it's enough talking. Let's get it back in the shop over to Zach so he can get working on this bad boy. And I'll see you guys once we're done. Well guys, that is it for episode 4 here on Project F450. All the lighting accessories have been done on this thing. I absolutely love this glowing Ford logo up here in the front, the sequential sequence going to the full illumination of the Ford. We also have the Valance lights down here on the bottom, look absolutely killer. And to end it off, we have the lighting going behind the vents on the side where the F450 is. Now guys, as you know, we are pretty much at the final stretch of this build. So if you guys don't mind liking this video, comment down below of maybe what type of wheels you think that we're gonna be putting on this bad boy to finish it off. And guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.